Hello everyone. So just like last time I told you that the next time with the video I'm going to make is in that I'm going to demonstrate the same application working for iPad Pro 10.5 and so on. So in this one, I don't have the software right now, so I'm going to show you the demonstration from the very beginning. Alright, so we're in the App Store, we're going to go search, we're going to write private, the name of the application. Alright, here you go, this is the one. So we're gonna wait until we are done with the downloading thing. Alright guys, so finally we are done with the downloading process, and as you can see I've already rated it with 5 stars, and so now we're gonna demonstrate this application. Okay, here we are. So now the most significant thing what makes it superior than the last video I uploaded a year back in 2017 is that in that application you do not have an option of blocking the ads, and you didn't have even the built-in VPN just like we have right now here. And for the demonstration purpose, whether this is going to work or not, we're going to go to YouTube, the same process we followed last time. Alright, any video, say for example, we're going to go to something like a little bit shorter. Alright, this one. Okay, just wait. Alright, here you go, the download option. So finally, that means this is working fine.
वज़ीर-ए-आज़म इमरान खान ने भारतीय पायलट अभिनंदन को रिहा करने का ऐलान कर दिया। पार्लियामेंट
Sorry for that. So you can see it's downloading back here. Alright, so now what if we just go and try to download some MP3 songs? Say for example, I have a little bit sample for you, Candy Shop. Okay, MP3 download. I hope this is gonna redirect us to Google search engine. Alright, yes. So this is the first link. This is demonstrating to show you whether a part of the videos can we download anything else's or not. Alright, click add this download. Okay. Alright, here you go, download. Okay, we are not yet done with the video, but still, as you can see, this one, 7.1, perfect. So as you see in the demonstration, we can download the videos and MP3 files and even zip files, the files which are compressed. Alright everyone, thank you so much, and do like, do subscribe if you find it worth it. Thank you so much.